Hey everyone, Lydia Abbott here, CEO of Workflow Magic and a proud PlatinumMonday.com partner. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create and update customers in QuickBooks automatically from using Monday.com. This workflow saves you from manual data entry and sets a strong foundation for future accounting automations. Let's say we're managing our accounts in Monday.com and we have a company called Moon, with all the relevant details like contact information, billing address, shipping location, and more. We've also added a QuickBooks integration recipe that allows us to create a customer record with just one click. So now I'll go ahead and click Create Customer directly from our board. And just like that, it pushes all the data to QuickBooks. Now when we hop into QuickBooks and search for Moon, we can see the customer has been added, with all the fields like billing address and company name populated automatically. Now, let's try it from the opposite direction and update the record from QuickBooks to Monday. Let's change the billing address from William Street to 1717 Broadway right inside Monday. Once we update the address and click the same Create/Update Customer button, it automatically syncs the new information to QuickBooks. Back in QuickBooks, after a quick refresh, you'll see the address has been updated in real time. No manual edits, no double entry. This is a powerful way to ensure your customer data stays in sync across platforms, and it's just the beginning of what's possible. Want to implement this for your business? Book a free discovery call with me using the link below, and let's simplify your systems together.